This is Lori at the National Hardware Show, and I'm at the Yard Force USA booth. And John, you have a leaf shredder here that you're going to share with us.
Right. Hi, Lori. This is our YF8000 electric leaf shredder. This will take 12 to 15 bags of leaves, shred them into one. That's a lot less bags to carry down to the curb, or you can use the shredded leaves for garden composting. The way it works is you put a bag underneath here. If you use a paper bag, it fits right underneath here. If you use a plastic bag, it has built-in bungee cords to hold it into place. It comes with hand rakes. They might look a little silly, but it actually makes picking up leaves a lot easier to drop them into the shredder. Inside the shredder is very, very safe, because what we have here, this is just plastic line trimmer line. So as this wears down, you don't even need any tools, you just cut a new piece. It comes with 10 pre-cut pieces, and then you can cut the rest on your own by buying a spool. But it's very, very safe to use. This goes back into here, and it locks into place to hold the whole funnel together. And we even give you a pair of safety glasses to go with it to keep you safe while you're shredding. It's a great fall tool, really speeds everything up, shreds your leaves, and makes it a lot easier to do.
That sounds great, John. To get more information or where I can go to purchase one, where can I go?
Just visit yardforceusa.com and you'll find out all the information.
Thank you very much, John.